So y'all out there, bruh, in the freeway and shit, bruh. I'm sitting in the yard geeking like a motherfucker, rolling like a something big, bruh. I mean, it ain't shit, bruh. I don't get no sleep around here. About 4 weeks already. Nigga, it ain't even 5 o'clock right now, and I'm already gone out about 6 of them motherfucking things. My dude say he finna come drop me off 100 of them bitches. Let me tell you something. Real motherfucker recognize real, nigga. I'm finna get 100 pills. I'm finna spend 20 fucking bucks on 100 motherfucking pills. Y'all niggas wish y'all had this motherfucker connect. And for you thirsty ass, lame ass motherfucker ducks out there in these motherfucking streets, for you lame ass, shitty ass niggas out there in these motherfucking streets, bruh, I don't get no fuck. Stay the fuck out my motherfucking inbox, bruh. I'm a grown ass motherfucking man, bruh. I don't chase them, I replace them. The fuck wrong with you, motherfucker? The fuck y'all think this shit supposed to hurt my feelings or something? I'm supposed to motherfucking cry or something? Man, this shit don't mean nothing to me, bruh. Do you understand me? I was 22 when I lost my first child, bruh. Do you understand me? I'll kiss my motherfucking ass in this bitch. Do you hear me, nigga? I live for me. I put it on for me. I don't do this shit for no likes on motherfucking Facebook. I don't give no fuck about this shit. You understand me? But they got it out there, so I'm gonna put it out there for the motherfucking world to see and let them know how motherfucking real nigga live. You understand me? I'm about that shit, bruh. Grow the fuck up. Shout motherfucking ass out y'all motherfucking feelings and shit, bruh. I've been taking care of kids since I was 15 fucking years old, bruh. I lost my first child when I was 22 motherfucking years old, bruh. Think about her every motherfucking day, bruh. You understand me? Taking care of another motherfucking nigga child. Nigga say the child ain't even here, bruh. I don't give no fuck. Dirty motherfucker, it ain't gonna hurt the motherfucking child. It's gonna hurt you in the long run, bruh. What if that motherfucker might need something in the future, bruh? Huh? Can't get it from nobody else but the daddy. What if your bitch ass might need something in the future, bruh? You can't get it from nobody but your motherfucking daughter. You dumb ass motherfucking nigga. And for you hoes out here, bruh, I feel that motherfucking amigo shit. Big fucking for the money, but in denial. Motherfucker, what the fuck wrong with you, hoe? Huh? Kissing your daughter, got dick on your mouth. Man, you better grow the fuck up, bruh. Fuck wrong with you? You right. I ain't got to take care of another motherfucking nigga child. I ain't got to take care of another motherfucking bitch child. Only if I don't fucking want to, bro. I do what the fuck I feel, bro. I do what the fuck I think is right, bro. If you motherfucker don't like this shit, grow the fuck up, nigga. I don't get no shit around this bitch. Motherfucker, if anything, you niggas need to get like me around there, hoe. Get the fuck out of bullshit. Stop chasing these motherfucking hoes, nigga. Stop running up behind these niggas. Stop giving a fuck about what a nigga think about you, bro. Give a fuck cause a nigga talk about I got a perm, nigga. My perm ain't for you, nigga. What the fuck you mean? Give a fuck cause a nigga talk about I don't leave out of Shamrock, nigga. This is my motherfucking block. If I feel safe on the block, I'm safe on the block. But you better know, nigga. You better know whenever you see these motherfucking true, nigga. Whenever you see these true, the father on tuck, nigga. You better know that shit. Do you understand me? Whenever I ain't on the block, bruh, the father on motherfucking tuck, nigga. Don't get your motherfucking ass popped off around this bitch, bruh. I ain't around this bitch shooting for fame, nigga. I'm in this bitch for the chick. Nigga, fuck you motherfucking mean, nigga. Sitting in my motherfucking yard, I ain't fucking with nobody. Rolling hard as a bitch. Ain't nobody in the city rolling harder than me. You Molly E motherfuckers. You ice chewing some of bitches. You trend followers, nigga. Fuck wrong with you. You prescription pill popping some of the bitches. What up with it, bruh? Yeah, bruh, I'm turned up over here, bruh. I don't get no fuck, bruh. Fuck you mean, bruh. Shout out to these lame ass duck niggas, bruh. Fuck you mean. Time for this motherfucking stupid ass bullshit. Man, this shit crazy. Y'all niggas out there that fuck with me. Y'all already know I made myself a boss in this shit. KB's the film, KB's the photo, KB's the production, HDMX, promotions, nigga. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with me, nigga. Get like me. What the fuck you mean, nigga? Fuck ass shit. This shit stupid. Look out for the movie, nigga. While you niggas sleep, shout out to that boy C the Mill. Block TVA coming soon, putting on for the city. But y'all look out for the movie, bruh. That HD shit, bruh. What? The name? That HD shit, nigga. You hear me? A HD motherfucking production. A KB's film, nigga. The movie coming real soon. You fuck niggas don't know shit about it, nigga. That's how I like it. Look out for that shit. Understand me? Motherfucker bitch ass shit. Got time for this bitch ass shit. These motherfuckers better grow the fuck up.